Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Diamond, and if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this luscious curly hair, stay tuned. So hey guys, welcome back. I just want to give a big thank you to Curlsqueen for sending me this hair. Guys, straight into the unboxing of this hair. Okay, so when you first open the box, you're going to see this pink pouch, guys. Inside the pink pouch, you're going to see it comes with this cute brush. The brush is like, it's like a reflective brush. I thought that was so cool. This is honestly my first time seeing a brush like that. It also comes with this cute gold double-sided bonnet. Y'all, the gold on my skin was just, it was given. Like, I was just so happy. They also sent you a couple extra clips in case you needed them. I thought that was super cute and convenient because you never know. And then they send you the hair in this silk bag with the gold accent. Curlsqueen, you did your thing. So when you take the hair out the bag, this is how the hair comes. It's going to come wrapped in like this hairnet. Guys, the hair is literally just so soft. Like, I kept touching this hair because like it's literally just soft to the touch, and this is just unmanipulated, fresh out the packaging, unwashed. The hair feels this good. Curlsqueen sent me 24 inches in the kinky curly seamless weft, and guys, like, the hair, it's given, okay? Quality is, I was pulling on it, it wasn't shedding. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the hair with my Mielle Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Shampoo and my Suave Shea Butter Curl Conditioner. So this is what the hair looks like, washed and conditioned. And I'm about to take my towel off my head so you guys can see my hair washed and conditioned. And I wash and condition my hair with the same thing. So the Mielle and the Suave Curl Conditioner. But this is my hair just freshly washed. I'm going to part my hair down the middle. I was thinking about 4 parts, but I'm just like, no, I'm just going to do 2. Use my little clip. And I'm going to wet my hair. You guys about to see me pull out my spray bottle right here, wet my hair. Only thing I used in my hair for my wash and go today really was Eco Styler gel. I know some people don't like doing that because they feel like their hair be dry, but I pair it with oil. So I use the gel. I wet my hair, I use a gel, I use an oil, and that's literally all I did so I can have really defined curls. Because recently I had straightened my hair and I got a little heat damage, so I've been working to get them back, but this works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music for you guys because it's about to get pretty repetitive. But when I need to talk to you guys, I'll hop back in. In my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on. And just a correction, guys, I always say suave when it's suave. I don't know why I do that. All day long. Let your edge out to some iceberg. You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind. Shit, I should've came from you. Best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change to me. A war in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me. Too
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy.
Okay guys, so I went ahead and I put my bonnet on my head. Just gonna let my curls get clumped up a little, but it's also gonna let my hair dry. I was taking my edges out just to see how like I wanted my edges to lay, because I wasn't sure yet, but I know I wanted to give like a natural Jada Waiter. And we're just gonna let that sit for like 20 minutes. So getting into this hair, y'all, again, I have 24 inches in the Water Kinky Curly. It's so luscious, soft, and fluffy, y'all. I'm going to be using more of Suave's products in these clip-ins. I'm going to be using their leave-in conditioner and their curl defining cream. This is my hair out my bonnet. You see the curls definitely got some clump to them now, and they're a little bit more on the drier side, but not completely fluffy and dry, because we didn't want it like that, because remember guys, we're going to be styling these clip-ins. Okay guys, so now it's time to style these clip-ins. Again, I'm just using leave-in conditioner and a curl defining cream from Suave. The curl leave-in first and then the defining cream second. And guys, this is what the hair is going to look like once it has product distributed in it. It looks so good. The curls are defined and they're just so soft. And again guys, like no shedding like at all. The hair is not coming out. It's just perfect. And y'all, I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can see me install this clip-in. But y'all, where's my real hair? Like, these clip-ins blended in so well with my real hair. Like, yes, I went to sleep, woke up, and had 24 inches of hair, because you could not tell me that this was not my hair, okay?
You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about no.
And right here, y'all see I'm feeling it. I'm like, they done messed up, giving me 24 inches. Yeah. But that's me just right here checking to see if the clip-in is secure. It is. And y'all, it looks so good. You guys about to see me just go ahead and install some more. And I'm just going to let y'all watch the process.
That's a problem, now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches, don't know these features. Deep dirt on beaches, do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Up on my ladies, up to my ladies. They did a few.
Why you bugging me? Why you bugging me? Why you bugging me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me here. Like my side, that's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you don't want no one beside you. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. That's a distance, only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel you. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Trying to catch you real weak.
Long as we got
Stayed in the LAS, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? So stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. You see how I roll, how I did it on the low. Come tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga, fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so trill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on the in my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright y'all, so I already seen my edges curling up, so I was like, I need to put something on here that's gonna make my edges stay down all day. So I took some of this spray adhesive, I think it's like black gold. I sprayed just a little little's gonna go a long way. I let it dry a little bit, and then I style my edges the way I wanted them to lay.
Some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. Trying to be in your sense, this is hurting. Trying to make some similar change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me.
final product of the clip-ins. This is what the hair is looking like, guys. The clip-ins came with a total of 10, but guys, I only wound up using 8. I also have a discount code for you guys if you want to go on Curlsqueen website and order some hair. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I hope you liked the video, and until the next one.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you the